Well, good day everybody, welcome back to another episode of Its Dyer thing. Rob here. I'll tell you right now, it's cold. It's a Sunday afternoon, October 3rd, I think it is. Well, there's nothing than the worst feeling ever, knowing that we are coming to an end of a year, or end of a riding season. It's time to put the bikes away. Oh, how sucky is that? Like, gosh, I mean, you know, literally, it just flew by this summer. So this is, it's not the last video of the year, but it's definitely one of the last ones. I do have quite a bit of things to do over the winter months, as we are unfortunately not going to be riding, but we will be working on the bikes. So there will be some stuff that I'm going to be doing to the MT10. And I do have some stuff I've got to do to this WR here, so it won't be the last of the videos, but it will definitely be more of how-tos and technical things and installs and stuff like that, and not necessarily just riding. So yes, now I'm heading over to the gas station, gonna put some fuel stabilizer. Do I have my fuel stabilizer? Yes, I do. Yamaha fuel stabilizer, blah, 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 blah. So, got to put that in, help keep my fuel conditioned and safe, so it doesn't gung up. At the same time, it allows me to run it back, so that will get it into the engine and the injectors. Other than that, I will have to disconnect my battery. I'm not going to put any oils and stuff like that into the cylinders, just due to the fact that every once in a while I will go down and I will fire the engines up and run them just for a little bit, so it keeps everything nice and running and smooth and whatnot. So if the days are nice, I mean, I'll kind of putt around in the garage, but for the most part, yeah, we're kind of done. So got to fill this thing up because I know it was running on fumes just earlier. So first, let's do the WR, and then right after that, we will do the MT10. So just give me 1 second. Right, so I just put in 5 liters. Let's put in half a thing of this, because that is enough to do 20 liters. So 5 liters, I put in a quarter. Good enough. God darn it. You're not cold. Hey, how you doing, bud?
Good, how are you? Cold?
It's cold. We're coming to the end, eh?
Last day?
That's it. No, I got to come back again. I got to fill up the other one.
Oh, no problem.
Putting it away for the winter.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, air miles. Yeah. So, I'll be right back. Yeah, I hate that. We're coming to the end of the summer, huh?
Yeah.
Man, oh man, oh
Maybe
man.
last week or last day today?
I think so. I don't think we're going to get any nice days. Good, my friend.
Yeah, see.
That's okay. I'll be right back.
Yeah, no.
So now we got the fuel stabilizer in the bike. We'll run it back, so it'll just be enough. Put that thing away, take the battery out. On poor little thing. Alright, so as you saw, I kind of gassed up and I brought the WR around just to go get some fuel into that one, and now I'm doing the same thing for this big one here. So it's already filled up for the most part, and I did put my stabilizer in it before, but I went out and I used it for a little bit, so it's not as full as it should be. And you all know about the MT10, even though it does stay full, as that big bar up here, it's a very big bar, and that means almost half of the tank of gas could be gone before that big bar actually starts moving. Oh, you better not be doing this to me again, you damn thing. Wasn't that a case of deja vu, eh? So yeah, so I cleaned up the bike and got it kind of set up for the winter now, and nobody behind me here, so yeah, here she is, the MT10. I do have some gook onto the wheels there, so you got to be very cautious when you're going around corners. The last thing I need to do is do a slip out. So for the most part, definitely this one is being put away until March as to when it should be available for sale. Woo, what? Yeah, I know, I just got it, but why am I selling it? Well, as of today, the 3rd, from what I was told, Yamaha was supposed to be announcing out the new colors for 2020 on the MT series. Now, it's been a couple of hours since I last checked the website, but I thought it was supposed to be out there, and from what little birdie told me, it was. But I haven't seen or heard any, what are you doing, Ding Dong? I haven't seen or heard any kind of teasers up to it or preview saying stay tuned, you know, we're coming out with some new product, yada yada yada, and revealing. So it's not necessarily new product, but just the 2020 models, right? Last year we did that back in September. Well, we're now in October, and yeah, we can't wait any longer. So anyways, yeah, I got to get a new mount for this. That's really crappy. So this is the GoPro ball pivot mount, which I guess after a couple of years it starts to get a little bit tired. Again, take it easy on the corners because I got that spray, which is a protectant for the wheels and some protectant, yeah, for the wheels and the tires and stuff like that, but it does kind of get into the tire, and if you just take off, especially being the roads are so cold, you could do a slip out, and we've all seen those fail videos, and I do not want to be one part of them. So yeah, waiting for the announcements for the colors of 2020. Why? Well, because I can pass this great savings on to this MT10 and yeah, pick up a 2020 model, right? So will I go with that ice fluo red stuff? No, probably just all black, or depending on what else they have. So anyways, we'll see, we'll take a look, you never know. So yeah, see, like it said, it was full and we are quite empty, so let's see. That's the only downside about this bike, eh? It really truly sucks, is that fuel gauge system really is poopy. Like, so many complaints about it, and I don't know if why they did that, and I sure hope that they would do a change on that, because there's nothing worse feeling than going out for a ride and showing that, oh, it's full, and then out of the blue it ends up going to empty or like half full, but those two lower bars, they go down real damn fast. So there we go, we are full, and then this way as well. I've already put the stabilizer in there. Look at that, $10. I mean, it's twice as much to put in this than there was in my WR, which my WR was empty. So that's so crazy. Alrighty. Anyways, oh, here, let's shut this guy down and stop recording. Right.
Thanks.
Good, boss. Okay.
Have a good one.
Thank you. You take care, eh? All right. Whew. Okay, so there we go. Oops. Oh no, I hope I didn't screw that one up. All right, it doesn't matter. We are recording back again. Alrighty, so there we go. And now this one is officially filled up, and being that I ran it already with some fuel stabilizer in it, it will go into the injectors. This one here, I will, however, take the battery out. Again, I'm not going to be putting any oil into the cylinders, because I'll simply just go down and run it every once in a while just to make sure everything kind of runs smoothly. But yeah, so remember what I was saying about the fuel here, right? So you got the top part and then the 3 bars. Trust me, those 3 bars They don't last long, man. They go down real damn fast. So, snivel, man. It's quite chilly. Not the best of weathers, but that's what you get living in Ontario, Toronto, Canada, right? Or anywhere north in the northern hemisphere. Anyways, it's short summer seasons, man. They totally suck for the most part. So tempting to go somewhere where you can actually ride, but the problem is then, you know, either you gotta, you know, find a way to get over to the States and live down south, but that's just not really feasible as per se, right? So, and then there's always can move out west out to like BC, Vancouver, Alberta, but then there's not much of a summer either. So all year, yeah, okay, it's kind of maybe somewhat semi-rideable, but it's cold all the time. So that's it. That's enough for this guy. Get this one put away, get the battery taken off, cover it up, get it all cleaned up. It's been a fantastic riding season, and I appreciate everybody tagging along with me and or with John, myself, Sage, Bailey, the whole gang. So for you guys who are still out riding there, please be safe. And for those who are not, well, try and find something to help pass the time, right? So like I said, there's quite a few things that we're going to continue to do. But until then, be safe, have fun. Thank you for your subscriptions. Thank you for your support. Stay in touch, send me messages, go back through some of the older videos if you want, and all right, keep it covered. Ciao.